Hello everyone, I welcome to all in this lecture. This is the fourth lecture from the limit. From the next lecture, I will discuss continuity, discontinuity, and mean value theorem. So far we have discussed about what is the limit, what is the importance of limit, what is the concept of limit, what do you mean by neighborhood of a point, what do you mean by left neighborhood and right neighborhood, what do you mean by existence of limit. There we have discussed when the left hand limit and right hand limit will be equal. So then we can say limit is exist, limiting value, whatever the value we are getting from the left side or from the right side. Okay. Also we have discussed how we can calculate the limit in the case of polynomial function or rational function. In the previous lecture, I have discussed about the different types of form, determinate form, indeterminate form. So when you need a special method to calculate the limit, so that is called indeterminate form. When you don't need any special method, directly you can judge from the equations, so that you can predict the what will the limit, what will be the result. So that is called determinate form. So we have seen in the previous lecture there are 7 types of indeterminate form. First one 0 by 0, then infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity, 0 to the power 0, right? And here 0, infinity and 1, they are approaching to 0, they are approaching to infinity, they are approaching to 1. So here 0, infinity and 1, that is not exact 1, that is not exact 0, that is a limiting 0, or we can say approaching to 0, tends to 0 we can say, right? Also we have discussed about the Lafter rule. So when you are getting the equation in the form of 0 by 0 in this form, or infinity by infinity, so when you are getting this form, let's say suppose the limit fx divided by gx and x goes to a, and this fx and gx here in 0 by 0 forms or in infinity by infinity form, right? So there we can apply the Lafter rule, that is the limiting value of a quotient will be limiting value of their derivatives, quotient of their derivatives, right? So we can write here limit of f dash x and divide by g dash x tends to a, right? If again you are getting the same 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, so it will be equal to again differentiate that fx and gx function with respect to x. So double dash x g, again you are getting the same form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, so again you can differentiate. So this is called a Lafter. But don't forget to check the form. If the form is not in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, we cannot apply the Lafter rule. Okay, so that is very necessary. Now let's talk about this function. So this is called a intermediate form type 1, 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity. This is called intermediate form type 1. Type 1 means, and we are getting type 1, when you are getting that form, that is type 1, 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, so you can apply the Lafter rule. तो हम जो भी 7 है, how many this intermediate form 7, so total जो 7 है उसको डिवाइड करेंगे 3 फॉर्म में, 3 टाइप ऑफ फॉर्म, राइट? तो पहले फॉर्म का नाम दिया हमने 1, सेकेंड का नाम दिया 2, थर्ड का नाम दिया 3. तो 1 टाइप में क्या आएगा, 2 फॉर्म 0 by 0 एंड इनफिनिटी बाय इनफिनिटी, ठीक है? सेकेंड में जो टाइप है उसमें 2 फॉर्म आएंगे, 0 into infinity minus sorry, and दूसरा 0 into infinity and infinity minus infinity. This will come under the type 2. And third type, that is infinity to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity, and 0 to the power 0. Why we have divided all these 7 forms in the 3 type? Because for the single type, we will apply the same method. Let's say for the type 1, directly we can apply the Lambda rule. Okay. So let's discuss about the type 2. Type 2 में कौन से फॉर्म आते हैं? 0 into infinity and infinity minus infinity. ये दो फॉर्म है जो हम सॉल्व करेंगे टाइप 2 मेथड से. और टाइप 2 मेथड क्या है? सो लेट फंक्शन लेट limit of a function f(x) when x goes to a 0 and limit of the function gx when x tends to a is infinity, or we can say minus infinity, whatever. Okay, so in this case, how we can calculate the limit? So we have to calculate for, let's see, fx into gx, and x tends to a. So what is the form we are getting here? Fx is 0 into infinity. So these are the forms that we are getting. Okay. So what we can do, fx or gx, one of them we can take as a denominator. We will shift the denominator. So fx या gx किसी में को भी आपको डिनोमिनेटर में ले जाना, तो कैसे लेंगे? fx divide by 1 by gx. We can write or not? We can write or not? We can write. So the form, अब कौन सा फॉर्म बन रहा है? See, fx क्या है? 0 divide by gx क्या है? Infinity. So 1 by infinity. Finally कौन सा फॉर्म आ रहा है हमें? 0 by 0. So by doing this operation, we can apply, we can write, now we can apply, now we can apply L'Hopital rule. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे आप कहोगे सर आपने gx को डिनोमिनेटर में लेके आप fx को भी ले जा सकते हैं. Obviously, see what will come. So limit, अगर हम fx को नीचे लेंगे क्या आएगा? So gx divide by 1 by fx. We can write like this also. See what form we are getting here. gx क्या है? Infinity. And fx क्या है? 0. So 1 by 0. क्या फॉर्म बनेगा? Infinity by infinity. So we can apply the L'Hopital rule for the two form, 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So in this case also we can apply that. Now we can apply L'Hopital rule. Okay, let's see one example. Let's have one example here. I'm going to calculate limit when x goes to 0, x log x. See here one is very important things, like you will see the graph of log x. You see the graph whenever you will see these questions. So what is the log of x? What is the graph of log of x? So it will be like this. ठीक है, आप देखो अगर x goes to 0 प्लस है तो it goes to minus infinity. Okay, and when x, और डोमेन क्या है? x का डोमेन क्या है? 0 to infinity, right? X never less than 0. right? So this will be defined when x goes to 0. So जब भी क्वेश्चन में लिमिट ऐसे दिया हुआ है, इसका मतलब आप समझ जाना कि ये दिया हुआ है राइट हैंड लिमिट. You have to calculate the right hand limit. Okay, so what is the form we are getting here? Check the form. Form we are getting 0 into log 0. Log when x goes to 0, then function goes to minus infinity. See, so minus infinity means we are getting 0 into infinity form. Okay, so in this form directly we cannot apply the lateral rule. Let you can see here, we can here fx is x or gx is log x, so we can write log x divided by 1 by x. What is form now? Log x infinity divided by 1 by 0. So we can say this form is infinity by infinity. So now we can apply the lateral rule. So limit of x change to this. Log x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है? 1 by x. 1 by x और 1 by x का 1 by x स्क्वायर. जिनको डिफरेंशिएशन में प्रॉब्लम है, प्लीज जाके जो फॉर्मूला मैंने मेंशन किया है, प्लीज उसको जाके आप याद करो, देखो, ठीक है? You should have very quick in solving this, doing the differentiation. जितना ज्यादा क्विक होगे डिफरेंशिएशन में, उतनी जल्दी लिमिट सॉल्व होगी. ओके, सो फाइनली व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग हियर, x लिमिट x, so value we are getting 0. So limiting value we are getting here 0. Next question we can write here. Example. Let's take example of infinity minus infinity. So limit of sec x minus 10x when x tends to pi by 2. What will be the limit? Take the form first. What is form here? Sec x, sec pi by 2. Sec pi by 2 is infinity. Minus 10 pi by 2. 10 pi by 2 is also infinity. So we are getting the form here infinity minus infinity. Okay. So we have to do some operation. Sec x को लिख सकते हैं 1 by cos x, and 10x we can write sin x by cos x. अब क्या फॉर्म बन गया? ठीक, 1 by 0 minus 1 by 0 we are getting here. Okay. Now cos x we can take common. So limit x goes to pi by 2. One minus sin x. Form we are getting here 1 minus 0 divided by 1. Sorry, pi by 2. 1 minus 1 divided by 0. So we are getting 0 by 0 form. So once we got this form, we can apply the Laplace rule. So here we can apply the Laplace rule. So limit x tends to pi by 2. 1 का differentiation, that is constant 0. Sin का cos x and cos x का minus sin x. Now put the value of x equal to pi by 2. What we are getting? Limit cos x tends to pi by 2 divided by sin x. We are getting here cos pi by 2 0, sin pi by 2 1. So 0 by 1 we are getting 0. So when you are getting the form 0 into infinity or infinity minus infinity, you have to do some operation and to get the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So then you can apply the L'Hopital rule. Okay. So before the applying L'Hopital rule, you have to check the form. What is the current form? What is the equation or what is the quotient in present form? So you have to check the present form, then you can apply the L'Hopital rule. किसी को डिफरेंशिएशन में प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज जाके वो आप उसको जो भी मैंने फॉर्मूला दिखाया है उसको आप नोट डाउन करो, उसको आप रिमेंबर, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट अगर लिमिट आप विद इन ए सेकेंड और मिनट सॉल्व करना चाहते हो तो आपको वो सारे फॉर्मूले आपको बाय हार्ट होने चाहिए. Now, indeterminate form of type 3. So 3 type, टोटल कितने इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म थे? 7. Type 1 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. Type 2 0 to infinity or infinity minus infinity. Now type 3 e to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity and 0 to the power 0. Okay, so these are the type 3. So let limit of fx when x tends to a is infinity and limit gx when x tends to a is 0. You have to calculate the limit of fx to the power gx x tends to a. So in this case, you are getting some form, and take another limit like limit of px when x tends to age 1. Okay, so this form we can say this. Suppose the function is in this form, so we can say this is the form we are getting 0 to infinity to the power 0. Suppose you have to calculate the limit when x tends to a, so limit of px to the power fx. When function in this form, so this form, what we are getting? Px is 1, so 1 to the power infinity. Zero to the power 0. Suppose you are getting some function like gx and some other function like another function limit qx x tends to a 0. Another function is also qx. In this case, you can say this form is 0 to the power 0 form. So when you are getting these types of form, how we can calculate limit? So there are common methods. Suppose the limit you have to calculate limit. Calculate we have fx to the power gx x tends to a. So let y equal to limit, और ये तीनों फॉर्म के लिए एप्लीकेबल है. This method, this operation is applicable for all 3 forms. Like it is applicable for infinity to the power 0, it is applicable for 0 to the power 0, it is applicable for 1 to the power infinity. So limit x tends to a fx. Now we can take log both the sides. So taking log both the side, so log y, what will be on the right side? Right side में क्या होगा? limit gx log fx। मान लो ये fx और जो पावर gx है ये किसी फॉर्म में है, ठीक है, तीनों में से किसी फॉर्म में है, लाइक infinity to the power 0, 0 to the power 0 और 1 to the power infinity, राइट। सी लॉग लेने के बाद कौन से फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हुआ, कौन से फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट होगा ये, सी जी एक्स। तो आप ये देखोगे कि जो भी फॉर्म यहाँ लॉग के बाद जो बनेगा वो ऑलवेज 0 इंटू इन्फिनिटी होगा, ये 0। and if we are getting the form 0 into infinity, so now we can reduce by in the form 0 by 0 or in the form infinity by infinity, right? So once we can reduce this 0 into infinity form, the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, so we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So then we can apply L'Hopital rule. Okay. So this taking log and then if you are getting some value, see if you got some value like log of y is equal to b, for example. So y would be into the y would be into the power b, right? And y किसको assume किए थे, limit of fx to the power gx and x tends to a, it will be equal to e to the power b. और ये किसी फॉर्म के लिए क्यों वैलिड है, और लॉग लेने के बाद कोई भी फॉर्म लाइक इन दिस इन द टाइप ऑफ 3 फॉर्म, जो इंटरमीडिएट फॉर्म है टाइप 3 का, वो इट विल कन्वर्ट इन 0 into infinity फॉर्म। लेट्स सी हियर, सपोज यू आर गेटिंग फॉर्म like this, into the power 0, here form is 0 to the power 0, here this is a form 1 to the power infinity, right? Suppose we have taken the assumption like in the form y is equal to infinity to the power 0, here y into y is equal to 0 to the power 0, and here y is equal to 1 to the power infinity, right? So taking log both the side, log y क्या होगा, 0 into log infinity। यहाँ पे क्या होगा इस फॉर्म में, log 0 into log 0 log y infinity into log 1, ठीक है। सो सी हियर 0 into log infinity, log infinity, log का ग्राफ क्या होता है, दिस इज द log x, log का ग्राफ है ये, मीन्स अगर x goes to infinity then log s also goes to infinity, right? In this case when x goes to 0 log x to infinity, तो ये क्या फॉर्म बन गया, log y यहाँ पे फॉर्म बन गया 0 into infinity। सेकेंड वन 0 into log 0, when x goes to 0, see here this condition, when x goes to 0 log s goes to minus infinity, here we are getting minus infinity, so this is also a form 0 into infinity। थर्ड केस infinity, थर्ड केस infinity into log 1, log 1 क्या होता है, when x goes to x is equal to 1, so log x 0, see the graph, this is the x is equal to 1, log x 0, right? So 0, so again here also in this case also we are getting 0 into, तो कोई भी फॉर्म है जो टाइप 3 का फॉर्म है, infinity to the power 0, 0 to the power 0 और 1 to the power infinity, so in that case when you are taking the log it will convert in the form of 0 into infinity, So once you are getting this form, you can reduce this form to 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, or you can apply L'Hopital rule. You can apply L'Hopital rule. Here also you can reduce to 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, and you can apply the L'Hopital rule. Here also you can do the same. So now we have the idea about if the forms we are getting indeterminate forms, so we can calculate by using the special method, by using the L'Hopital rule. So the seven form we have, like 0 to the power 0, infinity by 0 divided by 0, infinity divided by infinity, और यहाँ पे 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity, and infinity to the power 0. So this form को टाइप 1 कहते हैं. तो डायरेक्ट हम लगाएंगे L'Hopital रूल. इस दो फॉर्म को पहले चेंज करेंगे 0 by 0 और infinity, जिसमें हमें इजी हो. Okay, then you can apply the L'Hopital rule. In this form को three form, let's assume y is equal to this form, then take log, and log will be give us the 0 into infinity form, and then convert this form by 0 into 0, 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form, and then apply the L'Hopital rule. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, so let's solve some problem. Some standard results. So we have to find the limit when a limit of 1 plus 10x to the power 1 by x, and when x tends to 0. So first, what is form here? So put the value x equal to 0, we are getting 1 to the power 1 plus 0 to the power infinity. Since we are getting 1 to the power infinity form, right? So let's assume y is equal to limit when x tends to 0, 1 plus nx divided by 1 by x, taking log both the side, taking log both the side. What we are getting, log y is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 by x log 1 plus nx. What is form here? You can check. So 1 by x, x goes to 0, that is infinity into 0 form. इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो गया. नाउ इसको चेंज करते हैं. We can write log of 1 plus nx divided by x. Now यहाँ पे फॉर्म क्या है? See, we are getting log 1, so that is 0 divided by 0. So now we got this form, we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So by applying L'Hopital rule, differentiation of log of 1 plus x, so 1 by 1 divided by nx into n, and x का differentiation 1. इसमें अब x की वैल्यू पुट करो 0, what you are getting n, right? So n किसकी वैल्यू है? log y की. तो यहाँ से y क्या होगा? e to the power n. to the power e to the power n. और हमने y किसके एज्यूम लिया था? एज्यूम किया था लिमिट ऑफ 1 plus nx to the power 1 by x. So we are getting e to the power n. तो पहले आपको क्या करना है, फॉर्म को फाइंड आउट करना है, देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई कि ओके वी हैव टू सी लाइक ओके दिस टाइप ऑफ फॉर्म इज कमिंग विथ विच टाइप ऑफ फॉर्म, right? 1 or 2 or second. When you are getting 1, then apply the left rule. When you are getting 2, then do some operation, then apply the left rule. Then you are getting the third form, then apply the third type of form, then do the log process, like taking log both the side and then apply the left rule. Next question we have limit of 1 plus y by x to the power x, and x tends to infinity. So what form here? See, put x is equal to infinity. What you are getting? 1 plus 0 to the power x. So this is also 1 to the power infinity form. Let's assume y is equal to this. Okay, taking log both the side. I am writing directly. Taking log both the side. So log of y limit x tends to infinity x into log 1 by x. What form we are getting here? Infinity log 1 0. Do some operation. So limit x goes to infinity log of 1 plus a by x divided by 1 by x. We can write or not? We can write. What form we are getting here? Put the x is equal to infinity. We are getting log 1 divided by 0. Log 1 is 0, so we are getting form here 0 by 0. Once we are getting this form, we can apply the Lafter rule. So limit. You can write here by applying the Lafter rule. 1 by x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है? माइनस 1 by x स्क्वायर. log of 1 plus a by x का 1 divided by 1 plus a by x into a right. We can write here like this. We can just simplify or putting the finally we can write here x goes to infinity. So 1 divided by a by x. Now put the value x is equal to infinity. What you are getting? You are getting a. a किसका वैल्यू है? log of y. तो यहाँ से y क्या होगा? y will be e to the power a. And y हमने किसको एज्यूम किया था? लिमिट e to the power a. Right? This is the previous year GATE problem of from the civil engineering branch. So take the form here. Put the x is equal to infinity. So again we are getting 1 to the power infinity form. We are assuming, let's assume y is equal to this. Taking log both the side. So I'm writing directly log of y limit x tends to infinity to x into log of 1 plus 1 by x. अब यहाँ पे क्या फॉर्म बन गया? 0 into infinity. Always log लेने के बाद यही फॉर्म बनेगा. इस फॉर्म में हम लेफ्टर रूल अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. We have to do some operation. So I'm writing 2 into log of 1 by x divide by 1 by x. अब कौन सा फॉर्म है? 0 by 0 form. You can check. So once we are getting 0 by 0 form, we can apply Lafter rule. Okay. So differentiation 1 by x. What you are getting? minus 1 by x square. 1 by x का differentiation minus 1 by x square. log of 1 plus 1 by x का, so 1 divided by 1 divided by x into minus 1 by x square, यहाँ क्या था 2. So we can write limit x tends to infinity 2 into 1 by 1 plus 1 by x. Put x is equal to g infinity, so we are getting 2. तो किसका वैल्यू है log of y, यहाँ से y क्या हो जाएगा e to the power 2. y हमने किसके अज्यूम किया था, limit of 1 plus 1 by x to the power 2x. We are getting this value e square, right? Now check the form here. What is the form? X is infinity to the power 0. This is the form of infinity to the power 0. So let's y is equal to this. Taking log both the side, you can write log of y limit x goes to infinity 1 by x into log x. अब फॉर्म क्या बन गया, 0 to into infinity, right? Now log x divided by x, अब कौन सा फॉर्म है, infinity to the divide by infinity. Okay, so now we can apply the L'Hopital rule. Log x का differentiation 1 by x और x का 1, so we are getting 0. और 0 किसको एज्यूम किए थे हम, log y, तो यहाँ से y क्या होगा e to the power यहाँ पे क्या होगा e to the power 0, so that is 1. y किसके एज्यूम किया था हमने, ये वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा 1. Okay. What form we are getting here? Just put the value x equal to infinity. So I guess we are getting here infinity. This will be x square, not x2. This will be x square. Just correct it. So we are getting form infinity minus infinity. Okay. Just put x equal to x square. So infinity square plus infinity minus 1. So it will be infinity minus infinity. Right. So in this form, we have to do the operation to convert 0 by 0 form, or let's see here. So whenever we will get this type of questions, so limit x goes to infinity x square plus x minus 1 x. So multiply the same quantity as a denominator and numerator. यहाँ माइनस है तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा प्लस x, and same thing divide by right in denominator plus x. So here you're assuming this is a, it will be a minus b, and if a, this is a plus b. So multiplication, we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write here limit x goes to infinity x square plus x minus 1 with x. So it will be x square plus x minus 1 minus x square. Minus x square, x square will cancel. So limit x minus 1 divide in numerator or denominator by x. What we are getting, limit x goes to infinity, and dividing nominator by x and denominator by x or I think this is minus. So what will we get here? 1 minus 1 by x, 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x square plus 1. Put the value x is equal to infinity. What you are getting? 1 minus 0 divided by root under 1 plus 0 minus 0 plus 1. We are getting 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. The limit we are getting 1 by 2. Okay, so जब भी आपको इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन दिखे जहाँ पे a प्लस आपको दिख रहा है या a माइनस दिख रहा है, आप सेम चीज से इंटू करो. अगर a माइनस b है तो a प्लस बी डिवाइड बाई a प्लस बी. अगर फॉर्म में है कि a प्लस बाई b दिख रहा है तो इंटू करो a माइनस बी बाई डिवाइड बाई a माइनस बी. Let's take one more example, like limit root under n square plus n minus n plus 1. N square 1. I think this is us in the previous year questions. N square plus n square minus 1. So check the form here. What is form? When n goes to infinity, I guess. Yeah. So this is also a form infinity minus infinity. So same limit n goes to infinity. N square n minus n square plus. क्या क्या है माइनस से इंटू करो प्लस में n स्क्वायर n माइनस प्लस होगा n स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय विद द सेम क्वांटिटी. We can write or not? We can write. Sorry. Okay. So again, we can apply this formula: a plus b into a minus b, a square minus a. So limit n goes to infinity. तो इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो अंडर रूट कैंसिल होगा. क्या बन जाएगा? n स्क्वायर प्लस n माइनस n स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाय रूट अंडर n स्क्वायर n प्लस रूट अंडर n स्क्वायर 1. n square will cancel out. So limit of n minus 1 divided by root under n square n plus root under n square 1. Next, n tends to infinity. Again, divide n with in the numerator and denominator. So I am writing directly. डिवीजन के बाद क्या बनेगा? 1 माइनस n माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई n. तो 1 माइनस 1 बाई n. डिनोमिनेटर में अगर रूट के अंदर ले जाओगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? n स्क्वायर. सो इट विल कम 1 प्लस 1 बाई n प्लस 1 प्लस 1 बाई n स्क्वायर. Then you will put n is equal to infinity. So you will get 1 minus 0 divided by root under 1 plus 0, 1 plus, so 1 divided by 1 plus 1, you will get 2. Thank you. In the next lecture, I will discuss continuity discontinuity on mean value theorem.